Welcome to LearnSmart's newest training series presented by Udemy. I'm Aminweezy, Director of Courseware Development for LearnSmart. We're thrilled that you've chosen LearnSmart as your preferred education provider. If we can be of any assistance to you throughout your training experience, please don't hesitate to use the course discussion board and ask for help. As part of this course, LearnSmart provides additional learning resources for offline use or to supplement your online learning experience. These resources are available from the View Resources section within the course and include crossword puzzles, flashcards, and other games, supportive PDFs to supplement the course viewing experience, and other helpful tools and resources. Thank you for selecting this course from LearnSmart. If you enjoyed this course, or if this course helped you in your career, please let others know by rating it. It is with the support of our customers like you that we're able to continue creating great new courses. Thank you.